Today is April 26th, 9:54 a.m. Microsoft has reported earnings. It is up 7%. So you'll see here, nice rally up. And if you watched our video yesterday before earnings, you'll know that we had made a bullish call. In fact, we sold a call at the 295 for our bullish diagonal trade. So if you remember our trade here, this was the trade, buying the 292.5 strike calls in the maze and then selling the April 28 295s. And we are actually approaching that 295 price where max profit could be reached with this very high theta pushing that up in the last few days. You see this very high theta, 63 right now, because we are right at that target price. So that was quite a good price to target for the 295s. And currently you'll see the profit is 366, and initially we spent 224. So what is that currently then? What is the price? We're at 339. So let's do 339 subtracted by 224 for the initial investment. Divided again, that's the profit, divided by the 224 initial investment. So we're at 51% profit here. So that's pretty good for a diagonal trade, because diagonal trades we want to target 50% gains, at least 50 to and maximize the profit. We'll monitor this and see if we want to leave this on, because this is actually going to be profitable even more, because you'll see here this here shows us the profit on the dates, because you'll see the blue one shows a higher profit because if we wait and let theta decay to our favor with the positive, it's actually going to be even more profitable at 603. So we will use theta to our advantage by leaving this trade on. We may take some of the contracts off to take some profits, but we will leave some of them on to take advantage of this theta. We'll monitor this, watching and analyzing these unusual options as we did. If you didn't watch that video on how we predicted this by watching this options time and sales tape, we'll put that link here at the top right corner. If you have info cards turned on, also put it at the end of the video in the description. So we'll watch this and to see where or if any large institutions are taking profits or things of that sort. We also watch the options chain here. We watch the trade that we placed, based on what unusual options we had based it on, and see if the open interest and the volume, the differences between the two, so we know whether or not these orders are being closed or open. For example, this 300 strike here, 30,000 volume compared to this open interest of 14,000. So therefore, there are open orders here at the 300 strike, because this is greater than the open interest. And so we know that there is lots of interest at the 300 strike. And so this is a critical level, also a psychological price level at 300, as we mentioned in the video yesterday too. So we'll be watching this to see if Microsoft will break that level, and also monitor our trade, because we also don't want it to go too far past 300, because this is a bullish diagonal trade. Our profits will slowly decrease as it rises more, so we want to stay around that 295 range where max profit is And so any deviation either to the low end or the high end reduces our max profit. So we'll monitor this very carefully. And if anything comes up that is abnormally unusual, we'll let everybody know. So make sure you have that bell icon clicked for notifications if you are subscribed. All right. I hope this was helpful. It is now 10 a.m. and we have some more work to do. But take care, everybody, and good luck out there in the markets.